Dang it. Welcome to the Restore It Ralph channel. Today I'm going to attempt to plow my driveway with a 70-year-old Jeep and use some equipment around the house. This is not going to be a stress test as far as how much snow we got. We got an inch, maybe two. What I like to do though is plow the driveway because it's blacktop and it should melt off by the end of the day. We're supposed to have some really cold weather in Ohio. I'd really rather not have a sheet of ice for a driveway. The other thing I got going on is in the windstorm, it looks like my pine tree has leaned over and it gets pretty wet in between the houses here, so I assume it's got some root rot. So I'm going to see how stable this tree is and decide whether to try and pull it down or cut it down or both. It's currently 19 degrees with a wind chill of about 4 degrees, so being in the house garage, this thing should fire up, but let's see what it does. Full choke, couple bumps. Uh-oh. Almost smells flooded. Dang it. Guess I'm gonna have to get some jumper cables or a battery charger. I've got the battery from the Wagoneer hooked up with jumper cables. That thing's usually dead, so I don't know if this is gonna help at all. A little bit of choke. It smelled flooded, so let's see what we got. Yep, that didn't really help at all. Against my better judgment, I'm using my wife's good car to try and jump the old junk. This is a manual angled blade, so I'm gonna pull this pin, angle it, and put it where I want it. All right, there we go. It is cold out here. This is my main concern for the day, is probably taking this tree down. I don't need to plow the driveway, but I'm gonna plow the driveway, so hopefully I'm not working on a sheet of ice as I'm taking this thing down. That tree never hung this far out into the drive. I gotta get that out of here. Mission accomplished. Now a bunch of work starts. The clutch smoked on my light duty plowing chainsaw that I've had since, I don't know, 15, 20 years. So I need to use my Jeep to push the rest of this out of the way so I can go get either parts or a chainsaw. All right, that makes it to where I could be done today. And it's cold, so I might be done today. This thing's a good piece of equipment. Looks cool, lots of fun in the summertime. When I need it in the wintertime, it works good. That's going to do it for this video. I'm cold. I'm going inside. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.